will sneeze.
Hello, everyone. We are Someone Will Sneeze, and tonight,
Someone will sneeze!
and to get started, good job, that went over well. To get started, we just needed a suggestion of something that someone in the audience is allergic to.
Cilantro.
Cilantro. Thank you.
So cilantro makes me think of Mexican food, which makes me think of beach. Stay with me here, everyone. And the first time I ever got a sunburn, I was 21 years old and I was in Florida for my senior year spring break. So you can't tell I'm not white, and so I've lived most of my life with the ability to just tan. So I just did, and when I decided to go to Florida for senior year spring break, it wasn't like a, like tops off, beers, everything. No, we stayed with my best friend's Mormon grandparents in their retirement home community. They had a really lovely beach that was private to their area, and so I was just like, I don't need sunscreen, I don't burn, I'm gonna get a good ass tan. Closer to the equator in Florida, it turns out, and I burned for the first time ever, and I complained about my skin peeling for weeks, and all my white friends were like, this happens to us every year. That was me.
Look, I think that I can jump into this hot spring. I'm really resistant to burn.
Yeah. 7 of my friends have died of that hot spring. I'm gonna be damned if I lose another one. So you jump in there, you make sure you come back out.
Oh, I will.
All right, you're taking this hot spring.
I don't wait. Oh. It's not bad.
Oh my god, did someone just fall in the hot spring?
She's doing it.
Oh my god.
She's doing it.
I can get something on my car
No.
to help you.
No, I'm good. Look, when
She's good.
I was 7 years old, I picked up a pan that my mom was cooking pancakes for. I didn't even burn. This is fine.
Let her take this hot spring down for all of us.
Shit. This must be some kind of superhero.
No, I think she's just white. Damn it, she's gonna avenge Rick, Dave, Jerry, Jenny, Kayla, Kara, and Rebecca. Those were the 7. She's doing it.
I think I found Rebecca.
Welcome, honey. Welcome to my timeshare in Las Vegas.
Oh, thank you,
You're so sweet. Lights out at 8, okay? And the door's locked, all right? So, the stories are gonna come on. While you have a seat, you tell me all about what you plan to do during the daytime hours here in Las Vegas.
Well, I wanted to play blackjack and maybe go to the club with my friends.
Oh, that's not gonna work for me, honey. Here, put this shawl on. I made it for you. It says there's some dice on this side, on the other side it says, I have fun with Reginald.
Hey, babe. What's your name?
I'm Geraldine.
Oh, nice. I'm Reginald. Oh, sick. My name's on your shirt.
Yeah, my grandpa crocheted it for me, and he wouldn't let me leave the house without it, so now here I am at the club with it.
That's dope.
What?
Dude, you know what? Anything, like respecting your elders, your grandparents, that's dope. I'm into that. Yeah, you wanna do a line of coke?
Okay, let me take off the shawl though, because he will kill me if I get cocaine on this.
Oh yeah, you just gotta respect your elders.
Yeah.
I feel it.
All right, we'll find it. I'll find your granddaughter around here somewhere. I'm so worried. Oh, shit! The shawl!
Grandpa!
I'm respecting you by not doing coke while wearing it. I'm gonna take it off first.
I'm so sorry.
Your Grammy's last words to me were, make that shawl special for her, and now look at it. It's full of that white pow-pow dust. Oh, my hip, my heart, my hip. No.
Shit. Dad, not cool.
How did my grandpa know to call cocaine pow pow?
I'm sorry, I can't serve you. It's a private kitchen.
What?
It's a private kitchen.
But I'm hungry.
It's a private thing we got going on here. And while I know my assortment of cooked mussels looks delicious, I'm afraid I can't share any with you.
Hey Scott, let me get some mussels.
Hey, Rebecca, what's going on? What's going on? A lot of cooked mussels coming right up. Oh, it's so private. It's such a private.
Yo, hit me up with some of that mussels,
Yeah,
man.
it's such a,
Guys, I need
it's a
muscles.
really private event.
Hey,
It's a
I've
really,
been training all day.
for what?
What?
What? Was that a seafood / mussels joke or what? Sorry.
Pretty bad pun. We don't like puns
You don't
here
like
at the
puns
Mussel
here.
House.
Oh, mussels are
The
seafood.
mussel.
Got
Did you
it.
think I was serving fucking biceps over here?
I've been training at the gym. And I was like, my biceps are torn up.
So you thought you would eat some more mussels? It's pretty messed
That's
up,
pretty
man.
messed up, but very aggressive, and it probably gets pretty far in the gym.
Yeah, man. If you really want to get ready for this race, you gotta freaking eat some goddamn muscles, like legitimate muscles, alright?
Like living ones?
You do some quads and some biceps, marinated with some soy and citrus, so it's like a ceviche.
Muscles! From me! Don't mind that.
Just eat your goddamn muscles if you want to be swole.
See, Georgia, I'm closer to the equator than you because I'm Florida.
I'm right behind her, and I'm South Carolina.
Okay, well, I have Coca-Cola and an aquarium. So what do you have?
I've got like an ocean with actual fish.
I have a smaller amount of ocean, but I'm close to Florida.
Sucks being Georgia. All I have is peaches and pie and peach pie, and I got nothing. Nothing.
I'm not fighting with you.
Yeah. It's just how we are sometimes.
Oh, you think you haven't already, Georgia? It's me, a Nova Scotia. Up there.
Well, it kind of sucks. I'm pretty jealous of Florida and South Carolina.
Oh, I'm sorry. I'm getting shit on by a polar bear right now. Aquarium.
It is tough. I have killer whales, and they eat people.
Oh, boy. You're getting it from all sides down there, aren't you?
Don't that patronizing Canadian nice thing to me.
All right, I'll do my best.
Don't you start with me, okay?
Oh, I've got nothing but time.
I never thought that my true nemesis would be a Canadian territory in the north.
Surprise.
All you have is Anne of Green Gables.
All I have is what now?
Anne of Green Gables, she's that redhead with the braids.
Oh, she's gorgeous, huh?
She was my role model growing up, actually.
Yeah. I can be a real Southern belle, huh?
know you're done painting?
Yep. Hey. Mm-hmm.
I'm tired of being your paint model, Pa. I got stuff to do. I gotta go to school. We're taking the SATs today, and I'm skipping it so you can paint.
You're learning plenty of stuff by watching me paint your likeness on this here car canvas. You just... See? This painting is to your face as love is to what? Exactly.
I don't love you painting me with a mutant squirrel. I feel like it ruins the painting a little bit, Pa.
You say ruined.
Dad's doing his work. Oh, look, a squirrel. I'm allergic. You know that, honey.
Aw. Everything you paint has to have a squirrel in it to treat Mom's allergies. What's up with that?
We're going through some issues right now, all right? I don't want you to bring them up when I'm in my zone of painting my children and my squirrel.
Your shoes up in front of your...
Why, yes, ma'am, you found the most exclusive restaurant in the land. We used to serve mussels, but now it's all squirrel.
Oh, please give it to me. Oh, no.
Oh no, you're gonna sneeze. Hey, what's up, man? I thought it'd be more clear than mussels. I thought it'd be super clear about what we serve, and it doesn't work anymore.
Is she having a full body seizure, or what is
I
happening?
think it's coming. I think it's coming.
Ah, Joe!